Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this superb 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car has a 1.2 PureTech engine that's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox and gives you 130 horsepower. You get this lovely opening panoramic glass roof. There's also 18-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features connected 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and full Bluetooth connectivity. Some of the other features of this car include speed limit recognition, there's blind spot detection. You also get Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. So let's have a look around the car. This car really is packed full of features. There's also a 12-inch digital head-up display that you can customise, dual-zone air conditioning, cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers. But if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.